I think the move to Sundowns, it's like Sundowns is a team that has been dominated for over the years, and they have a lot of good players, and also that they're competing in highest level. So one thing about Sundowns is that also I was playing CAF at Supersport, but we didn't qualify for the next season. So I think I've reached the final with Supersport, but I felt like I can do more with Sundowns, and that's why I joined Sundowns. I want to play in the highest level, and I want to win trophies. No, I think I started watching Sundowns when I was very young. Then that's when I started falling in love with football. On the other hand, I think Sundowns, I started watching Sundowns in the era of Koketso Motong, Teko Modise, Surprise Moriri, Katlego Mphela. I think I've supported them once. I think they've been doing well also. And I think they drove me to that, they made me love football. I fell in love with football also. And then, I've been a kid that always loved football. I never spent time with doing other things or playing other sports. I think I've been always into football, and I've watched football, and I think the legend that had me going, it's the Modise. I've always watched the Modise. Yeah, I think winning a trophy, it's a nice thing, it's a nice feeling. It's every player's dream, it's every player's an achievement that you can look up to at the end of the day. I think I've won 2 at Supersport, I won 2 MTN8, and I lost in the Confederation Cup final. So I think coming here to Sundowns,